Once upon a time, in the shimmering coral reefs of the great blue sea, lived a curious and kind starfish named Vitruvius. Vitruvius was unlike any other starfish. He had 5 long, slender arms that helped him move gracefully across the ocean floor. One day, Vitruvius discovered that a small crab had lost its way. The crab was lost in the vast ocean, far from home. Vitruvius felt a pang of sadness. He knew he had to help the little crab return to its family. So, he used his long arms to guide the crab through the winding coral maze. The journey was long and tiring, but Vitruvius didn't give up. He was determined to help his new friend. And finally, they arrived at a beautiful coral house where the crab's family was waiting. The crab's family was overjoyed to see their little one safe and sound. They thanked Vitruvius for his kindness and bravery. From that day on, Vitruvius became known as Vitruvius the Brave. He continued to help other lost creatures in the great blue sea, teaching them that kindness and bravery can make a difference in the lives of others. As the sun set, Vitruvius returned to his home, feeling content and happy. He knew that he had made a difference, and that was all that mattered. And so, the story of Vitruvius the brave little starfish served as a reminder to all the creatures in the great blue sea that kindness and bravery can take you far.